I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Yeah, you know what I've done in the
Hi you all, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you 3 of my favorite herbal healing oils for hair growth and for soothing the scalp. If you're someone who deals with dry, brittle hair, breakage, or irritation of your scalp like psoriasis or dandruff, stay tuned. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. So the first oil will be St. John's Wort hair growth oil. As you can see from the formula, it is very simple to make. I'm starting off with a simple carrier oil. I'm using sweet almond oil. For my healing oil, I'm using St. John's Wort. And then for my essential oil, I'm using tea tree oil. You can definitely make substitutions if you would like for anything that works best for you. For me, the sweet almond oil is very lightweight and absorbs quickly. I needed something that would be able to be used on my scalp frequently, okay? I'm going to follow that out with my healing oil, which is St. John's Wort. I love this beautiful color. I love the potency of this oil, and I'm still learning more and more about this oil each and every day. When used topically, St. John's Wort helps to stimulate blood circulation. This also, as we know, helps with hair growth because you're getting more blood to your scalp, to your hair. And then, of course, it's going to help with restoring damaged cells. So if you're having troubles with baldness or thinning hair, it's going to help heal those follicles and heal those areas to promote hair growth and new growth. So this oil is very beneficial for those dealing with scalp ailments like dry, itchy scalp, dandruff. If you're dealing with eczema, psoriasis, those type of things, this will be the perfect oil to try. I paired it with tea tree oil because I love the smell of tea tree oil, but also because tea tree oil has many of the same benefits when it comes to scalp health. Alright, and that was our last ingredient. Only 3 ingredients to make this nutrient-dense hair growth oil. Just give it a quick stir and you're ready to bottle it up. I have been experimenting with St. John's Wort, so I have some of the dried flower with me. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and place it into the bottle just to jazz the bottle up a little bit. And it also will continue to infuse with the oil as it sits in the bottle. I highly recommend using dried flowers as to offset any chances of mold or any other things growing in your oil. I will not be adding any vitamin E or any preservatives to this mixture, and it should still last up to 12 months or longer. Make sure you use your dropper and don't place it near any water or get any water into the bottle. To use this oil, apply it at least 2 to 3 times a week, massage it into your scalp, or you can use it as a hot oil treatment. Be sure to do a patch test for any allergies. The next hair growth oil is Buriti hair growth oil. Buriti is one of my favorite oils to use for its healing properties. To start off this oil, we're using carrot seed oil as our carrier oil, followed by Buriti fruit oil as our healing oil. And then I'm using grapefruit oil as my essential oil because it smells amazing. To start off this oil, we're starting with our carrier oil. I'm using carrot seed oil, but you can definitely use jojoba oil or any other oils with nutrient-dense properties that will complement your Buriti oil. Buriti has a lot of similar properties as carrot seed oil, and they complement each other well, but Buriti oil can be very expensive and hard to find in large amounts, so diluting it with a more accessible oil like carrot seed oil will definitely benefit your pockets, okay? So for Buriti oil, you want to use it topically on your scalp and also on your hair. It doesn't clog the pores, it's very lightweight, and it absorbs fast. It will protect your hair and scalp and improve elasticity of your hair. So this is going to help prevent any type of breakage. It's going to lock in that moisture and keep your hair hydrated, okay? I'm using grapefruit oil as my essential oil. It definitely complements the Buriti oil. It helps to unclog follicles and prevent any kind of buildup, especially if you have an overproduction of sebum. So it's very great for cleansing the scalp, okay? And that's it. Once you have your 3 oils inside your beaker, go ahead and just mix it up well. And then you can add any herb of your choice. I'm using marigold or calendula. This flower has many healing properties. It can help your damaged scalp. It can help treat and heal dandruff, dry, itchy scalp, and it can also strengthen the hair follicles, which in turn will help reduce breakage and also promote hair growth. I also chose it just because it looks pretty in the bottle. It's a very beautiful flower, and I thought it would complement the Buriti, the color from the Buriti oil very well. So I just poured this into the bottle just like I did the previous hair growth oil, and this is how it turned out. It looks great. I love this color. It's so pretty. Now, you know, if you were to use Buriti oil in like a hair butter or a cream, it will probably turn your product yellow. But when you're just using the pure oil, you will get more of this goldish orange color, which is just so beautiful. Although I still recommend a patch test, this oil is perfect for anybody with sensitive skin. You can definitely use it daily for scalp and hair. Just massage it right in and leave it on. Our next hair growth oil is the Blue Tansy hair growth oil. Now, our formula for this hair growth oil is drastically different from the other two because we're using an essential oil as our healing oil, and that means we need to use a whole lot less. For our carrier oil, we use grapeseed oil, and my essential oils are lavender and eucalyptus. For the grapeseed oil, I just wanted something really lightweight. Again, this oil will be used on our hair and on our scalp, so we need it to be able to absorb quickly and not weigh our hair down or clog our pores. The Blue Tansy oil, I only use like 1 to 2 drops. That's literally all you need to reap the benefits of the Blue Tansy essential oil. You can definitely use more and you will get a deeper blue color, okay? I use this topically to soothe my scalp, reduce dandruff, strengthen the hair follicles, and of course prevent breakage. These benefits fight against hair loss and encourages length retention, okay? To complement the Blue Tansy, I'm using lavender essential oil to combat inflammation and to help with hair growth. I'm also going to be using eucalyptus essential oil. This oil relieves itchy scalp, stimulates hair growth, and helps with scalp irritation like dandruff and psoriasis. And that is all the oils we're using for this formula. To help enhance the benefits of this hair growth oil, I'm adding lavender flowers to further infuse the oil. Lavender helps to stimulate hair growth, and it makes the hair grow back thicker and faster. It can also help with pattern baldness and alopecia, and is overall a great herb to have for your hair growth oil. It also has antimicrobial properties, which can prevent scalp irritation and other irritations like dandruff. And overall, it looks so pretty in this bottle. I feel like it complements this mint green color so well. It's just so pretty. Some of the flowers did float to the top, so I took just a tiny bit of the oil out so it can look a little better here. Alright, to use this oil, you can use it as needed. If you have any irritation of the scalp, itchiness, just dab a little bit on and massage it in. Always do a patch test, and if you're pregnant or nursing, be sure to talk to your primary care physician. Alright, you guys, here are my 3 favorite hair growth oils. Comment down below your favorite color, which one you like the most. I can't wait to use these in other DIY creations. Actually, I've been really looking into making soap as of late, you guys, which leads me to talk about Skillshare. Skillshare is the sponsor of this video. I was on Skillshare and I was like scrolling trying to see if there were any classes on making cold process soap, and I actually found one. The class is by Dot's Mill and it's ran by Michelle Sandra, and within that class she actually has a lesson that talks about infused oils and how to make them, and I just thought it was so cool because that's right up my alley, the things I like to learn about, the things I like to do, and I just enjoyed her class so much. And it's a great way to enhance your own learning and the things that you already know and better prepare yourself for making more creations. So what is Skillshare? Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who loves learning and who wants to explore their creativity and learn new skills. It's the perfect way to invest in yourself and your personal growth. And you can have confidence in knowing that you're learning from experts in their field, people who actually work in their field, and they lay out the courses in such a way that is so easy to navigate. They're short, they're simple to take in, and easy to learn. So definitely check out the description box down below if you like an opportunity to try out Skillshare. The first 1,000 people to use the link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So definitely check it out below and join the creative of community, okay? Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I definitely will be using these infused oils in some other DIY creations. I can't wait to experiment and make more of these infused oils for skin, hair, and etc. Okay, so for this DIY, I love them all, but especially the St. John's wort. So I would definitely give this a 9.5 out of 10. Almost perfect score for this DIY. I absolutely enjoyed it, and I hope you guys did too. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at yayadiycreations.com. Hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the videos I'm coming out with, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Side by side, unafraid of what we get.